do a quick unboxing of this hummingbird feeder. This is a smart hummingbird feeder. It has a camera. There's your base. Here's your main body with the camera attached. And the Wi-Fi antenna. Push with your finger on this side. There you go. Pops out. This little guy here, it's got a little wire attached, goes back into the antenna. Easy to go back in. This way, just push it in, snaps into place. It's got a little cam lock in where it goes in and twists. It's not a thread on, it's just a drop it in. There, that's it. Tiny little turn, pops off, clicks into place, and there you go. But it leaks if you don't. There. Rolls down. Very thin little thing right there. Now I'll try it again with the water. We won't put that much in. Put this guy on this way. There. Where's my rag? See if it leaks now. Now there's no leaking. Yeah, see, there's no leaking. So it comes with these little thin, like the size of a rubber band, silicone O-ring that goes right on the unit itself. Perfect. Okay. Comes with this little thing, little bottle brush. Down here in the base, there's a little hole that fills up this reservoir for where the sugar water would be. And so when you're cleaning it, shoot some water down in that hole, and then it'll drain out through that hole. You just fill it up with some hot water and drain it back out again. That should clear it out, clean it out pretty well. Little S hook for hanging it. That's kind of nice. Let's put the thing together now and hang it up.